Now, before we get too deep into the video, I guys want to show you a little picture of my past. Pretty gross, right? So, welcome to my channel. My name is Eric, and this is A Hard Knock Life. And today I'm going to share with you the things that I wish I would have done differently before starting the gym, and the things that I did in my first year that I wish I would have done differently as well. Things that, I regret not doing, and I'm hoping that I can help you avoid those same mistakes. I'm going to be honest with you guys, some things I'm not. I'm not a personal coach, okay, or not a personal trainer. I'm not certified in any way, shape, or form. My certification comes from 2+ years of hard work, dedication, finding a way to insert fitness into my life, working a full-time job, and being a father of 4 kids. That's my certification. I don't got a piece of paper. I don't have, maybe I'll create one. But that's where my knowledge and experience comes from. If you're new to the channel and you're looking for an individual such as myself to give you their honest opinion, where to save money, where to save time, then this is the channel for you. Like and subscribe and hit that bell button. I'm not gonna try to sell you anything. What I'm giving you is free. It's my experiences. It's free. I'm the one that went through the experiences and suffered through them and grew from them. And I'm just sharing them with you. And for the price of nothing. A subscribe, maybe? You want to subscribe down there? The button's down there. This is free information. People don't like and subscribe for free information. They want to be entertained. They want to be hooked. But like, if you're looking into starting fitness, there's the hook. That's what this video is about. There it is. Plain and simple. There's the button, press it. Basal metabolic rate. Number one mistake I made before I started the gym, I never looked into my basal metabolic rate. I did not go ahead and research just how many calories my body burns daily, all on its own, without doing absolutely anything. Why is this helpful? When you know how much calories your body burns, you know exactly what to do, right? You can learn that eating in a surplus is fat gain, right? And eating in a deficit means fat loss. So what is your goal? Is your goal to put on weight, or is it to lose weight? How do you know you're doing any of those things if you don't know what your BMR is? I mean, you can eat whatever you want to eat and then do a program like P90X where it kicks your ass on a daily basis and hope to God that works. Or you can do things the smart way. Work smarter, not harder. I mean, we can all agree knowledge is power, right? I mean, the more you know about yourself, the more you can fix what you want to fix. The more you can focus on what you have to focus on. Everybody has a limited amount of time. Unless you're a sponsored athlete and you get paid to work out, that's a different story. But if you're a full-time worker, like yours truly, have a full-time job, time is precious, time is limited. So don't waste it. Number 2 mistake, not having a plan. This could range from not knowing what my BMR is and having a plan of attack to not having a routine. You've seen those people, they walk around the gym aimlessly, a little on this machine, a little on that machine. I mean, time is precious for a lot of us, right? I mean, we have a whole lot of other things on our plate, a whole lot of other objectives in our days to fulfill, and here we are finding time to work out, but what kind of effort are you putting into it? Because you don't have a plan. You don't have a routine. You know what the best thing about today's world is the internet, YouTube especially. There's plenty of routines out there. My recommendation is find one that suits you in the time frame that you got. Other things to consider when you're picking your routine is what kind of job do you have? Are you sitting in a chair all day? Are you on your feet? Are you lifting heavy weight all day, like 40 pounds, 50 pounds consecutively for a very long time? Maybe not consecutively, but repetition. It's just over and over and over again for several hours before you get a break. I know what that's like. I do that every day. So I had to adjust my routine accordingly so that I could go to the gym in the mornings and still go to my job. A lot of these people on YouTube, They have these routines, but don't, they only post, like I do, the sets and reps because the weight will vary on you. Always look at the form. Keep an eye on the form because form is so important. Another thing that I didn't pay a lot of attention to when I started the gym is form. Proper form can keep you from injuring yourself and also helps you target the muscle that exercise is supposed to target a whole lot better. Don't be one of those individuals who walk around the gym aimlessly with no plan of attack whatsoever. Don't do it, because it is so important not to, because you are worth it, right? You decided to go there for a reason, right? What was that reason? Was it to mess around? Was it to just put very little effort into yourself? I mean, do you feel like you're worth so little that that's what you want to do? I've seen people with gym memberships get out of their vehicle right outside the gym, walk up to the door, scan it, get back in their vehicle and drive off. And I'm just sitting there, what a waste. Ignore the people around you to a degree. I mean, if somebody's benching and they drop the barbell on their chest, help them out. I mean, use common sense. I haven't seen that yet, but I'm waiting for it. Hell, it could be me for all I know. But ignore the people there. There are going to be people there who are way out of shape, like I was when I started the gym, Or there's going to be people in incredible shape with a lot of muscle and a really nice physique. It is easy to be intimidated by these people, but you're not there to be intimidated by other people, right? I mean, why do you care about their lives? Why do you care about what they're doing, how they look? They achieve their physique through hard work and effort and discipline, which is what you're trying to achieve. And you're never going to achieve it if you're going to quit by getting intimidated by other people. Don't do it. Just let them do what they do. You have a plan and a routine you walked into that gym with, right? Do it. Get it done. So, and right before I started talking about this, my wife and I, we were talking about supplements and how people just waste their time and money on it. You only really need creatine and protein, okay? And the protein is only necessary if you're not getting what you need through food. So what you want to do is find out what your body fat percentage is and get yourself 1 gram of protein per pound of lean body mass. That is important. So one of the things that I was asked to cover was my opinion on being sick and going to the gym. And my opinion on that is stay away. Because when I work out at the gym, I don't want to see people oozing over the equipment that I'm going to be using or coughing in the area that I'm going to be working out in, because then you're going to get me sick. And it's that simple. They say anything above the neck and you're good to go. Anything below the neck, then rest before you come back. I say rest regardless. You're not going to lose any gains until well after 3 weeks of inactivity. Okay, so you're just fine resting a day or two and then going back when you're at 100%.